It's a brand new 74 plate full size Range Rover. It's only got 16 miles on, currently getting PPF protection. And he wanted it secure before he took it home, so we've gone for an AutoWatch Ghost 2, and this customer's also gone for a Meta AutoBlok. So this gives him the option, if someone's seen the code, then he's going to have it secure with the tag. If someone grabs the keys with the tag, they're going to also need the code. It's a two-form of authorization system. So with the tags, as long as one's on your keys, you don't need to do anything, you can get in and drive away. Obviously, you're going to need to bypass the Ghost by doing the code, and then you're off. So we've currently got the battery out of the tag. With this system armed, there's no keys here. If someone tried to start the vehicle up, it's just not going to start up. The ignition power's on, but it's not going anywhere. If we pop the battery in the tag, the system now is going to recognise it's us, and the vehicle's going to start. With it having a Ghost on, we're going to have to put the code in as well before we drive away. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. Receive a double flash from the full beam, and then we can select a gear and drive away. Say the thief grabbed the keys with the tag, he's got the vehicle started. The Ghost is going to activate as soon as they pop it into gear. So we pop it into gear, the vehicle cuts out, it's not going anywhere, not without that code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. This customer's opted for the 2-tag Meta AutoBlok, as well as a Ghost 2 Immobiliser, to be twice as secure with two forms of what's known as authorization. First you have to have the tags, then you have to have the code, and then you can drive off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a brand new 2024 full-size Range Rover. Thanks for watching.